How to delete all liked videos on YouTube. This tutorial shows you how to clear your entire liked videos playlist in just a few steps. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. After that, tap on the U tab at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on Playlists to expand the section. At this point, tap on Liked Videos to open the playlist. In the next step, tap the three dots next to the first video in the list. Following this, tap Remove from Liked Videos. Once done, go back and repeat the same steps for each video until the list is empty. After this, keep in mind there's no option to delete all liked videos at once, so you'll have to go through them one by one. From here, if videos aren't removing properly, open your Android settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you see Apps. Tap on Apps to open it. From there, search for YouTube at the top. Tap on YouTube to open the app info page. Go ahead and tap on Force Stop. Tap Force Stop again to confirm. Then reopen YouTube and try again. Finally, if the issue still continues, tap your profile picture at the top right. Go to Help and Feedback. Tap Send Feedback and describe your issue, or tap Contact Us to reach YouTube support directly. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear out your liked videos, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.